Hello, everybody. It is Andrea, the Global Voice Mason, certified global voice under the mentorship of the legendary Dr. Les Brown and your personal accountability coach. Today's video is dedicated to a close friend of mine, a loved one, to celebrate their birthday in memory of them. And each year I think it's going to be better. I think it's going to be not as painful, but with each year it's more and more painful. Although I know the individual is smiling, sun-kissed upon my face, shining upon us, it still hurts. It's still just uncomfortable without them here. And I want to bring this to your attention. Are you mindful of the individuals that you encounter on a daily basis in your family, in life, friendships, relationships, colleagues, or even strangers? I'm reminded about the connections I've made with individuals that suddenly went silent. The connections I've made that suddenly went distant. The connections I've made that too many moments have passed far and few between communication. As a woman of integrity, I mark my words, and my brand is that I'm here. You've heard me say it in TV, radio, video, podcast, interviews. I am here. But at sometimes I question if I am here is enough. Sure, we can't control the ones around us. Sure, we can't control the world. Sure, we can't control the past or the future. All we can do is give the gift of time, of our presence. For today is a gift. Gone too soon, I say. A beautiful individual who gave everything to everyone without judgment, without question. Are you giving your all to others? Are you giving your all to those in need? Are you paying attention to the silence? Are you paying attention to the distance? Be mindful of your connections. I just can't imagine this place with this person gone. You know, they say, what's that song that Billy Joel speaks of? Only the good die young. Why does it have to be that way? Why should one individual suffer so much pain, heartache, grief, passion, and soul that it's too much to bear? Is there someone in your life, or maybe you, who are struggling with life, especially after these past 2 years and then some? Not knowing where you're going, not know where you've been, not know where you are right now. When I remember the memories, the laughter, the good times and the fun, it just hurts even more knowing it's over. But the memories in my mind, the memories in my heart, the laughter until crying, and the memories that have been created. Life is not to be a journey of survival. Life is to be a journey of lessons, of learning, teaching, applying, and having fun. If you are out there struggling, lost your way, feel like you can't go on anymore, I encourage you right now to connect with me. Right here with me is a safe space of no judgment, no dictation, no lecturing, just of pure listening and love, making what doesn't make sense become relatable, to see through the clouds, to see through the storm, and walk beside you every step of the way. Just being here, knowing that my friend is not here, is painful. And if you have lost someone, a friend, a loved one, a colleague, a companion, a family member, a parent, anyone, loss is not easy. But I am here with open arms to walk you through the healing power of forgiveness to achieve personal freedom and to go through the stages of grief. I've lost so many people in my life. And today is another year. It's difficult for me. But know that I am here with open arms to get you through, to get you to the next level, to share your story, your love, your experiences, to extend your hand to help another. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. Happy birthday. Love you, miss you, but know you're right here. I encourage you to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you know someone who is at a crossroads, know someone who's lost someone, even if it's yourself, I encourage you today to reach out to me, and let's get ready to press play. Plan life according to you. We are not guaranteed tomorrow, but what we can do is live our best life the rest of our life, in the words of my mentor, Dr. Les Brown. My name is Andrea Mason, reminding you every single day you have a choice to press play. Plan life according to you. I am here, I am ready, and I am waiting. Thank you so much.